front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit face data and screen lock. Then tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. Now choose Start at the bottom, wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in Attention pop-up. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. And hit Done. Then manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!